Hello everyone, today I will be talking about the iPhone 11 Pro. So I'm just going to go through the very basics of this phone. You can see it starts from 1,06,600 rupees in India. This is how the phone looks like with the triple lenses. So first we have the ultra-wide camera. It's got f2.4 aperture with 12 megapixel sensor. Then we have the wide camera, which has a 1.8 aperture with the 12 megapixel sensor. And third, we have the telephoto camera with f2.0 aperture with the same 12 megapixel sensor. Next we have here is picture taken with ultra wide mode. So we can see a huge difference between this picture and the picture taken with the ultra wide mode. Next we have the video, 4K video. So this iPhone 11 Pro shoots video at 4K resolution. Next we have some pictures again taken with the ultra wide mode. They look really professional. Next we have the night mode. Picture on the left side taken with the night mode off, and the picture on the right side taken with the night mode on. So we can again see a huge difference between these images. Next we have the portrait mode. So we're gonna see some pictures with the portrait mode. You can see that they look really professional. Next we have the Smart HDR. So here are some images taken with the HDR. Let's see what comes next. We have this quick take feature. Let's see what it does. Say you're taking photos and you see something you have got to catch on video. With quick take, there's no need to switch modes. Just leave your finger on the shutter to start recording. Yeah, that's a really good feature. So you don't need to switch modes while taking photos and then you want to take videos. All you have to do is just leave your finger on the shutter to start recording. Want to keep the recording going? Swipe right. To take burst photos, swipe left. Let's see some other features. Now the selfie camera. They're calling it Slow-Fi. It's got 12 megapixel true depth camera and it shoots at 4K at 60 frames per second. And you can also take some super fun slow motion selfie with videos at 120 frames per second. Let's go through the display. So it goes up to 800 nits when you're out in the sun. So when you're outside, it goes up to 800 nits, and it goes up to 1200 nits when you're viewing extreme dynamic range content like HDR videos or photos. So it goes up to 800 nits for better viewing in sunlight, and it goes up to 1200 nits for HDR photos and movies. So the display has various features, but I'm just gonna go through the basics. Next we have the ultimate A13 fastest bionic chip claimed by Apple. The A13 bionic chip, the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Fastest CPU, fastest GPU, and etc. Next we have the battery life. They're saying you'll get up to 4 more hours of battery life with this iPhone 11 Pro, and it charges up to 50% in around 30 minutes with fast charge. The toughest glass in any smartphone, front and back. They've put the toughest glass in this iPhone 11 Pro in the front and in the back. Let's see some other features. So they're saying our most water resistant iPhone ever. So it's got IP68 rating, water resistant to a depth of 4 meters for up to 30 minutes. Spill resistant for common liquids like coffee, tea, and soft drinks, and dust resistant. Now we have the Face ID, which works 30% faster, and we have the built-in privacy from Apple. Okay, so this was the very basic understanding of the features of this iPhone 11 Pro. Thanks for watching.